Yo, so we're playing Animal Company. Like, yeah. We got Nova and Garlic, and then Brush GT. Obviously. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
Cooking with Kaya.
Cooking with Kaya. So yeah, I'm gonna just change my colour, and then we're gonna stop the arch, aka the troll. So, I'm gonna change my colour. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
Oh, so much better now.
Loki looks Sigma. Look at me, bro.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Alright, should I spend all my money on a revolver, so we can kill chickens and get more?
Oh, it passed through, what's happening? Ah!
Alright, so basically,
I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore.
So basically, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna
let me in.
So basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna kill the chickens and kill the trolls because that's the easiest way to get revolver ammo.
My name's Chipkin.
Wild. So let's go kill the baby chimpkin. All the baby chimpkins, so that we can rock up the ammo, and hopefully we can see Big Boy. 200. Grenade.
Chipkin. Oh. What'd you throw?
Grenade. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
Guy's right there, by the way.
What?
The guy's right there, by the way.
I'll 200 pump him, trust. Chicken! You got what? Huh? How'd you get 2?
Again!
You just do. Yeah, you got.
Yay!
Cooking with Kaya. I'm not going down there.
I'm just done.
So the op we need to stop is
An ops over here.
where?
No, behind us. Let's go.
Blue.
I'm gonna go sell Chipkin actually. What do you get here? Alright, what's cool then? What's the one?
Chicken.
I can't. I can't.
More ammo.
I'm being chased. But give me a minute, Mum. I'll get back to the safe zone and I'll do it.
Chicken. So I just need to find another chicken. And let me go find. Here we have. I'll sell chicken for him. Didn't even get anything for that. Why is this guy unkillable? There's all my bullets, bro. Damn. Easy peasy. Oh, no. Did you just open both crates?
Big bang!
I can't see. What'd you... Oh. I'll shoot.
Whoa. Hey, no! Haha, you're out of bullets.
Right, how much money have you got?
Cooking with Jacob.
How many monies have you got?
300 and something.
Bro.
Let's go kill more chickens.
Ow, I have no ammo.
Respectable. Snowballs.
Yeah, but like they don't do nothing. It takes them ages.
Bull bar.
Nah.
How about
Oh, yeah.
big ball bat? Big ball bat.
Payball bat. How much does payball bat do?
I know, but I got my sword. So.
One of them. Cooking meat.
I feel like I'm like Dr. Octopus walking on that. I see chicken.
Where? Eradicate.
Wait.
Kill it.
Yeah, there.
Kill it. Tag team. Oh.
Oh god, he didn't take that long.
Well,
Oh my god!
right,
What do you
take
have a chest
one.
tag? What do you have? But
The crowbar's there.
well, I'll just put that on my back.
Right, let's go run up the ops.
Who's in this code?
Bruh.
Who's in this code? Man, get out! Man, you get out! Man, you get out! Man, you get out! Man, you get out! I see you trying to sell that, bro, like the...
Wait, how did you guys just run around the floor?
Another person in the code.
YouTube. Oh. Was there other kid like with the YouTuber or like just by himself? What do you mean? Just him. Hey, no. Wait. I'm asking a question.
Get
Look. Was there another kid in his YouTube channel thingy? Oh no, I don't know who you are.
Bruh. Cooking with Kanye. Cooking with Kanye.
Honest to God, I don't know who you are.
Right.
You're some random person tonight.
No, literally, there's another kid in that YouTube video with this code on.
Oh, nice, but okay.
It is our fan code, but I'm
this
pretty
is-
sure we did it first.
Yeah. Well,
I mean, if you want to
steal
subscribe to the
nowadays.
Bizarre Brothers, if you want to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're pretty...
Mm-hmm.
Is this our fan code for like anything really?
I don't record like these type of videos.
Well, what
Like,
is
you
the
can
point
leave
of
if
the
you
sword,
want
though,
like a
'cause it
wanted
doesn't
code, but normally it's for us. I got a blicky, remember that chat? I got a blicky.
affect-
Chat. What the hell? Okay. Okay. Gonna act like I never heard that.
Oh, this kid, man.
I'm gonna go kill more chickens.
But I see we just added one onto the code, bro. 'Cause this
No,
kid-
let me just sell my revolver real quick.
So annoying, bro.
I got paid for it as well, but come on.
Let's go. I think he left.
Man, might have to just change that fan code.
Wait, I think he left.
Why can't I see the thing?
No, I didn't.
I can't see the computer, like to change the thing or whatever. Yeah, I can.
Alright. Just put it onto the code then.
Yeah.
Is anybody in this code?
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, guys, that was like a big disturbance for some reason. I don't know. Cause
Oh,
I guess other people might be other people might use our fan code as their fan code. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna switch up to our actual code that we normally record videos and stuff into. How are you? Give me a minute, bro. And the new fan code,
I'm a duck.
we'll post it on shorts and on normal, obviously on here. It'll be AB1234 or AB123, depending on which one. Because people just use this code now, and then like they don't know who we are. I'm guessing they don't actually know who we are because you might have seen it. So yeah, we'll do that. And now we're gonna continue, but I'm gonna get off soon because my head's starting to hurt. And yeah, I'll do like 5 more minutes of recording, killing check-ins and stuff to get.
I'm
the
stuck.
work done. Bro, give me a minute. And then yeah,
Stop.
bro, I'm trying to speak. Give me a minute.
I know.
I'm
Fare.
kind of stuck.
Fare, shut up.
Ow.
So yeah,
Yeah, pie.
bro, what? How are you stuck,
You
bro?
out. Hi.
Step monkey.
No, I'm out. That monkey goes crazy.
Alright, so what I'm gonna
Cookie
do.
me Jacob. Cookie me Jacob.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna. Should we find a can of cola?
Why?
Cause. Oh wait, I know I need to go buy something. No, buy one of the things. Oh, I should just save up for 3. Yeah, I'll save it for 3. Sell the crowbar. No! How did it kill me?
Did I kill ya?
It killed me, bro. Bro, how did it kill me?
I two-tapped ya.
Down. Alright,
Over the one.
No, it wasn't that. It's because I got sold by the thing because I had my head inside. No, please chat. I gotta record the outro, man.
Okay, my fault. Outro already.
Yeah, because my head's starting to hurt and I'm probably gonna get off.
Oh,
Alright, so
JJ.
chat. As a chat. Stop touching my butt. That's it. Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. That was wild. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna get off
My
now.
tongue was out then.
Wild. I'm gonna post the. Oh no, I'm gonna post this video, and hope you all enjoy. Subscribe, and yeah, hopefully more content coming soon. Bye, chat.